So Bioeconomy Solutions, South Carolina. You want to know what a farm looks like when you have mature trees, nice shaded areas, really tall, robust trees, provided great shade cover, whether you're doing it for afforestation, reforestation, or just trying to make your place pretty and green. So let's take a closer look at what we got here. Bioeconomy Solutions is a company that will help you from a consultant standpoint, from a technical aspect standpoint of growing these trees. You can grow these trees for a number of different reasons. So as you can see, the more you space them, the more space that you give the crowns to actually branch out. And this is 10 foot apart. But you can see these trees in my hand. That's a big tree. And these are rows of big trees. So this is the opportunity for you, no matter where you are. You get these trees started and all they want to do is survive, thrive, live. And we can show you on how to do that wherever you are. These trees grow in over 60 different countries around the world. That's 60 countries around the world. So the likelihood of them not growing in the dirt that you're standing in right now is highly unlikely. From cold areas to desert areas and everything in between. Here in South Carolina, we have very hot, temperate numbers in the summer. We get snow sometimes in the winter, and this could be you. Now, as you can see, in the areas that weren't planted, we have other trees, other species. So if you're thinking about growing native species alongside Paulownia, these fast-growing trees can help get your native species going. And that's what we talk about in the Guardian Species Framework, which we've come up with, and we're glad to share that with you. But create an ecosystem for your microbes in the dirt, for the people that need to grow in between these trees, different food plots. This is perfect for some of your native species of food. Paulownia is the Boy Scouts knife of the world because it has so many different applications, from biomass to energy to carbon. So take a look and see if this is for you. If we're aligned in thinking, reach out to us. You can book a call with us at bioeconomysolutions.com/book call, bioeconomysolutions/book call, or you can reach us at 843-305-4777, 843-305-4777. With that, we'll bid you a great day.